Okay, there we go.
Okay. I always forget that we have to start it.
Okay, so lesson 18. We'll just start on part 2.
Okay.
Okay, so there was a recent survey taken on whether consumers are label users who pay attention to label details when buying clothes. Are men and women equally likely to be label users? Determine if the proportion of men who use labels are different than the proportion of women who use labels with a level of significance of... So I checked the requirements. It was good. And then the null equals P2, and the alternative is P1 does not equal P2.
Mm-hmm.
And then the test statistic 0.309.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you got? Okay.
Yeah.
And then for the p-value, I got 0.001.
Yep. Same.
Okay. And then I pasted the p-value, or the normal probability applet. Okay. And then what decision do you make about the null hypothesis? Reject the null.
Mm-hmm.
And the conclusion is we have sufficient evidence to conclude that there's a difference in the proportions of men and women who use labels.
Yep.
Okay.
It's good.
I'll just do the whole thing, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so construct a 95% confidence interval. So 0.045 and 0.165.
Mm-hmm.
And then we are 95% confident that the true difference is between 0.045 and 0.165.
Okay. Yep, that's what I got. So
Okay.
what is the rule again if 0 is included?
What do you mean if 0 is included?
In the confidence interval? Do you remember how there's like a rule that's like if 0 is in between the two numbers, like the lower value and the upper whatever? Do you remember?
Okay. No, I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay. So I need to look at it then, because
there's like a rule that's like if 0, so it's like say the lower, what is it? The lower bound is like negative 0.21 and the upper bound is 0.165. 0 is included, or 0 is in between those two numbers, and so I don't remember what the rule is. That's what I was asking. There's like a rule. I don't know. Crap. That didn't really make sense.
Okay, well, this says... It doesn't say anything about, like, 0. Okay.
I remember it said it in one of the videos, and I can't remember what it is now. Anyway.
For this lesson?
Yeah, it was for this lesson and last lesson.
I didn't watch the video,
think it matters.
So...
I don't think it matters, but...
Oh, okay, here we go. Whenever 0 is contained in the confidence interval of the difference of the true proportions, we conclude that there is no significant difference between the two proportions. There you go.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. So there would be no difference between them if 0 was in between. Okay. Yeah, I didn't even
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're fine. All right.
Okay. Should we just take the quiz?
Yeah, let's just take the quiz.
Good. Okay, I can read the first one. So it says, for the next 9 questions, we will receive the PTC tasting study with different data. Out of 70 females in the sample, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42 can taste PTC. Use the data presented here. Let P1. Sorry, hold on just a second. For some reason, my alarm just went off. Okay, anyways. Okay, that was way random. I never set my alarm. Okay. So let P1 be the proportion of females in the population who can taste PTC, and let P2 be the proportion of males in the population who can taste PTC. And the research question for this study is given here. Is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males who can taste PTC? Okay, so use the data in the table to find P hat 1. Okay, so P hat 1.
We have one. Okay,
So females is 1.
3 out of 296. Okay, so that's 8. Wait.
So would it be 52 divided by 70?
Yes. Divided by 70.
So that one would be 0.743.
Yep, 0.743.
Okay.
743. Okay, then use it to find P2. So that's 42 divided by 59.
Mm-hmm.
Which is 0.712.
Okay.
Okay.
Then it says, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? So would it be the first one?
Yeah.
It's just different, right?
Yeah, just different. So.
Okay.
Okay, create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2 and put your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound. Okay.
So we just have to use that the
Equation. Oh. She's gone. Oh no. I wonder if she notices. Oh god.
Okay, sorry.
No.
I don't know what is wrong with my thing. It seriously cuts out like 5 times every time.
It's so funny.
Anyway, so we just put it in the Excel thing, right?
Oh. Is there an Excel thing that I've never used that before?
It's seriously so much easier. If you open up
I've never used that.
If you open up the lesson for lesson 18, lesson 18, and go to 2.2.
Okay, so lesson 18.
Like, yeah, the textbook or whatever.
Oh, in the textbook. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it at the top?
It's, yeah, if you look at the top, it's under 2.2 using Excel to perform these calculations. It makes it so much easier. And then you click, it says to download this file, click here, Categorical Data Analysis, SPSS. Do you see that link right there?
Oh, here we go. Yeah, I see it.
And then it brings up like an Excel format. And then you have to click on the top part. It says 1 proportion or 2 proportions and version. Do you see those 3 tabs at the top?
Okay, what? After I click on it and it says help SPSS tools, or am I supposed to click on the Windows link?
Oh no, sorry. You click on, I was trying to figure out the same thing. You do, so click on Categorical Data Analysis. Do you see that link right there? Did you do that? Did you open up that?
Oh, and then I open it? Okay.
Yeah. I thought I had to like download something, and I went through this whole thing, and it was way complicated. But you just have to open up that
Oh,
file,
this is fancy. Okay.
and then do you see on the top? It might be different for you because I have a Mac, but either on the top or the bottom, it will have like little tabs that say one proportion or two proportions.
Yeah, and which one is it, 2?
Yeah, so you click on two proportions, and then you just input all the data into the inputs right here. So it'll say like x1, n1, x2, n2.
Oh. Okay. So what is, let's see.
So
So
then,
X1. So X1 is 70 then. Okay. Right?
well,
Yeah.
wait,
No.
x1 would be 52,
Oh.
right?
Okay. Oh yeah, because it's paste it.
Yeah.
Okay, then 42 for the other one.
52. So then,
And is the 70 then.
yeah. Mm-hmm. X2.
Okay. 59.
And then you want it, and then it will say confidence level, and you want a 95%. And then it says type of test, you want it to be equal.
Equal. Okay.
Yeah. That will affect your p-value. So, anyways, and so then you just enter all that stuff, and then it comes up on the bottom. It says Z, it gives you the z-score, the p-value, and then the confidence interval.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
And then also, you know how you have to like check your requirements to see if they're above 10?
Yeah.
It does that for you too in this other box. It just says check requirements, the first sample and the second sample. So you just have to make sure all of those numbers are above 10.
Okay.
It's really
Cool.
it's really easy actually. So
Yeah, that's crazy. What's the question? Let's see. What is the point estimate for this 95% confidence interval? Okay. Okay, what is the point estimate again? Oh my gosh, I'm totally... Is that the p-value? No.
oh, I don't know. Crap.
Let's see. I don't know why I don't remember that. That's
I'm
okay.
guessing it's, let's see what it asks in the prep. No, it says a test statistic, so I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
What's the point estimate?
Is that the difference between them? No. I don't know.
Oh.
That's so funny. Okay, let's see. Control F, point estimate.
I know, that's what I just did. No, I can't find it.
Man, okay.
Can we just say it's the p-value?
Because, yeah, like, I don't know what it is. It's not the z-score, is it? I mean, no.
It says, what is the point estimate for this 95% confidence interval?
Oh, the point, that's like the 1.96 or something, right? That's the point estimate? No,
I don't know.
maybe. I have no idea.
Crap.
Okay,
Because I don't think we even use that for any of the equations, right?
No, yeah, we don't. So
I have no idea.
okay.
Crap.
Yeah, I feel like it's 1.96. No, I don't think that's the point estimate though.
Crap, I don't know. Okay, maybe I'm gonna look it up. What is the point estimate?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, maybe it's just p hat.
Oh, really?
I just looked it up and it says a single value given as an estimate of a parameter of a population. Wait, there's two p hats though, so that doesn't make sense.
Okay. Let's see.
Crap.
Okay. Yeah, p hat is called a point estimate of p. The sample proportion p hat is 1 point on the number line that estimates the value of the true proportion p.
So, but there's two, so how do we do that?
So they're not the same. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, so p hat equals, okay, no, we already know that. X over n. Well then, I don't, it's not the same thing either, so.
Crap. We could just put in the p-value and then see if it's right. No, because it would ask for the p-value.
Oh, what you do, you add, remember we did this in the individual prep, you add them together. So you add like x plus x divided by, and that's the p hat, I think.
Oh, really?
Okay, 52.
I seriously.
70.
So do we just add them all together? So
Yeah, so you do 52 plus 42 on the total. So you just do the 94 divided by 129. I
okay.
think. Okay, 0.729. Yeah, so I got 0.729.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Okay, well, we'll see if that's right.
We'll see.
Hopefully.
I don't know
Hopefully
what it is though. Okay, what's the margin of error? Crap. So do we have to do that equation?
Let's see. Yeah, there's an equation. Okay, here it is. So it's m equals z times the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Okay. And then so it's for two proportions, you have to do z times the square root of p hat 1 times 1 minus p hat 1 over n1 plus p hat 2.
Oh, that's right. It's
That one. Okay, so let's do that.
okay.
So z is it 1.96?
Yeah, 1.96.
Times hat 1. So over n1. That's over. Okay. Wow, this can be so long.
Okay, so what is the equation again? I'm trying to look for it in 18, but I can't find it.
So it's z times the square root of p hat 1 times 1 minus p hat 1 divided by n1 and then plus p hat 2 times 1 minus p hat 2 divided by n2.
Okay.
So you're basically doing the same equation, but you're adding them together.
Okay. So 196 times square root of
Okay.
okay.
Okay, I have my answer. Tell me when you.
Okay. I don't have mine yet. Let me see. 56, 2. I'm always scared I'm going to enter it wrong.
I know, me too. Or like miss a decimal or something.
Yeah. Okay. 1 minus 52 divided by 70. Wait. I already feel like I'm entering it wrong. Okay. 42 divided by 59. Yeah, I don't think that's right. What did you get?
I got 0.195.
Okay. I got 0.105, but I think I just entered it like with the parentheses wrong. So
Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. Did you do the rounded ones to the third?
no, I didn't do the rounded. I did times the square root of 52 divided by 70 times 1 minus 52 divided by 70 plus 42 divided by 59 times 1 minus 42 divided by 59 and then divided by 59.
Wait.
Parentheses wrong.
Oh, no, so it's asking for p hat. So you have to do like, so you do like 1.96 and then times the square root, and then it's 0.743 times 1 minus 0.743. Is that what you did?
Well, yeah, but I used
Divided by 7?
but I did the 52 divided by 70, which is how we got the p hat 1. So I did the same thing, but I used the proportion so that it wouldn't be rounded.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Let me see. I'll do it again too. I think, let me see. This is going to be easier if I do it like this. 52 divided by. Yeah. Divided by 59.
Okay, wait, hold on. I might have done this wrong.
Okay, I'm trying it again. Five.
Okay, I got it. Crap. Oh, wait, times. Dang it! I got 0.012 the second time. Oh my gosh.
Okay, hold on. I'm doing it again. We'll see. Okay, 1 minus.
I wish it would come up with margin of error in that test.
Oh, that'd be so awesome. Okay,
So annoying.
divided by 59. Okay, this next time I got 0.154.
Crap. Literally. This is so annoying.
Okay.
Holy. Okay, maybe we'll do it one more. Maybe I'll do it one more time. So.
Just need to do sections. So like do the p hat 1 times 1 minus p hat 1. And then take that number, divide that by 70, and do the same for the other side. And then add those and do the square root of them, and then times that by 1.96. She's gone. Oops. Oh well. Okay. She's still gone. Okay, dang it. Okay. Another 70. What is it? 1.18.
Do plus. Okay.
Oh god.
I got 0.15439.
Okay, so that's what I got the first time. I just did it again a different way, and I got something else. We both got the 0.154. You want to just try that one?
Yeah, let's just stick with that one. This is so stupid. Oh my gosh.
So annoying.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we'll just do that one then.
If we get it wrong, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm just gonna skip it. I don't care.
I know. Seriously.
Okay. So margin of error.
Okay.
All right.
So
And then-
0.154 then, right?
Yeah, that's what I put.
Okay. Oh gosh.
Yeah, I know. Oh, well, okay. Let's just hope it's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so the lower bound and upper bound. So that's negative 0.0092, right?
What? That's not what I have.
Wait, really?
Yeah, we should have the same thing though.
Negative.
Okay, maybe I put the numbers in wrong. Okay, so I put for x1 52, n1 70, x2 42, n2 59.
Uh-huh.
I have confidence level, then type of test P1 equals P2.
Uh-huh. That's what I put. You didn't get that for your confidence interval?
No, it says negative 0.123.
Okay, what the heck? So annoying.
How is that even possible?
I don't know. So 54. Oh, I put 54. Crap, that's why. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I was like,
Okay,
what?
it's negative 0.123. Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. It's a good thing you said something.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. And
Then
the upper bound.
0.185. Okay, cool.
Oh my gosh, this is such a struggle.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what's our decision? So our p-value is 0.442. So that's greater than 0.05.
Oh, failed to reject.
So fail to reject. And you
Yeah.
HO. So there's insufficient evidence to suggest that it's different. So it's the last one, right?
Yeah,
There's
that's different. Yeah. Insufficient and different. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, finally, we got past that problem. Okay.
Okay. For the next 9 questions, we will review the mortality rates and day of admission heart attacks. Study with different data. Oh, I read that wrong. Hold on. Out of 118,519 who had a heart attack during a weekday, 16,713 had died. Out of 42,447 that had a heart attack on the weekend, 6,155 had died. Please use the data presented here. Let P1 be the proportion of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekday who died, and let P2 be the proportion of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekend who died. The study is given here. Is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on the weekend who die? Confidence level of 0.05. So are the conditions satisfied? So yes, right? Because there are a lot.
I think we have to put it in the. I'm guessing so, just because the population's so large. But I think we have to put it in the. Put in all the information in that thing to see.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay.
Okay. So they think that more people died on the weekends?
So the question is, is the proportion who have died on a weekday less than the proportion who have died on the weekend?
Okay.
Less than the weekend. Okay.
Okay. All right, so let's put it in this little guy.
16713. Ooh. 6155. 2447.
And then, so it's going to be P1 is less than P2.
Oh, whoops.
Okay. So it looks like it is satisfied. They are satisfied.
Yep, satisfied. Okay.
And then question 13, it says which hypotheses are appropriate for this one? And it's the last one, right? P1
Yeah.
P2? Okay.
Okay, so find p hat 1.
Use the data table to find P hat 1.
So 0.141.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
And then P2, 0.145.
Yeah, 0.145.
And it says find the z-score.
Oh, it's in the Excel thing, isn't it? Oh, yes.
Yep.
Okay.
So z equals negative 2.020.
Perfect. Which side should you shade? So less than, so the left side?
Uh-huh. Yep, to the left. And then what's the p-value? So it's 0.022, right?
Yeah, 0.022. 0.022.
So you would reject the null, right?
Yeah, because it's less than.
And then, so
So there is sufficient evidence. Wait, so what are we? Okay, reject the null. Okay, so to conclude that the proportion. Oh. Yep. Oh.
okay, sorry. Did you get the third one
That's fine.
down?
Yeah, the third one.
Okay, perfect. Okay, well, I hope both.
I know, seriously.
It really wasn't hard, but that stupid
Just thought, yeah, just the margin of error and stuff.
just takes long.
Hey, okay, no. We got the point estimate wrong. We got the margin of error right, though.
Yay! Okay, I'm glad. I was not going to do that again. Okay, I don't know what the point estimate is. That's so weird.
Okay, yeah. So obviously it wasn't what I thought it was. Okay. Let's see. Is the point estimate just the p-value? I don't
know, because I feel like it
No,
would,
I
like
don't
in the
feel like
other
that's
questions,
right.
it just says find the p-value. Like, what is the p-value, you know?
Yeah, you're right. Okay. They didn't even use point estimate in this lesson, though. That's what's so weird.
I hate when that happens. Oh, speaking of, how'd you do on that on the exam?
I didn't do very well. I actually don't remember what my grade was. I think I got like a C something.
Yeah, I didn't do very well either. I thought there were tons of questions that I was like, okay, this was not on the prep, and
I know. It was terrible.
I was like, okay.
terrible exam.
Yeah, I had like so much anxiety during that test. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is
I
terrible.
thought that the test was way harder than the prep.
Yeah, I was like, if the test is like the prep, like it'll be easy, but
It wasn't.
It
It
wasn't.
was.
not at all.
It was so hard. Ugh. He said it would be like the hardest one. He said that everybody struggled with it, so that made me feel better because then I was like, well, I'm not the only one.
The thing is if you're like, if I just wish that he would make the test review like the test. Like if I was like, if the test review, I was like, oh my gosh, whoa, this is not what you know what I mean? Then I could figure it out.
Yeah.
I was kind of like, what the heck? Anyways.
Yeah, pretty dumb, but.
Minus it.
Okay. See, because if the point estimate is p hat, in this lesson it says p hat equals x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2.
Wait, where's that at? Where'd you find that?
It's like, it's under 2.1. It's under step 4 of 2.1.
Okay.
I don't know.
Crap. I don't know.
Okay.
Overall, yeah, that's so dumb.
Maybe you do the p hat 1 minus p hat 2. No. I don't know.
It might be because remember it's. Oh crap! I don't know. It might be because this one in this example it's not equal. But
Yeah, well, it says create a confidence interval for p1 minus p2.
Yeah.
So that's why I was thinking that, but I don't
either.
know. I don't
We can
remember
try.
at all.
I mean, I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, we might as well. Okay.
So you're saying like p hat 1 minus p hat 2 over n1 minus n2?
Oh no, but I mean we could do that too.
Okay, sorry. What did you say?
I meant like p hat 1 minus p hat 2. The point estimate.
Oh. Oh yeah,
But I
that's
have no idea.
Yeah.
But
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's the same
molecular
thing as what I was saying. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
I was just like doing the equations to figure out what the p hat was. But anyways, sorry, I said that wrong.
Oh yeah, then yeah, exactly. You know.
Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, it might be that, or yeah, okay. Let's figure out what that is. P hat 1 minus.
So 15.
So 0.743 minus. So 0.031.
Yeah, 0.031.
I have no idea.
Wrong.
Okay, the thing that kind of bugs me is that like after your second one, if you get it wrong still, like you have no idea how to figure it out.
I know. I wish it would give you the right answer after the second one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Okay, I need to open up another quiz.
Start quiz.
I hate when I miss questions because then I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to do this whole thing again.
I know, and you have to
Put all
type
this
in
stuff.
everything. I wish it would have it already there for you, and then you would just go back and erase the ones that
Yeah,
are wrong.
just like change
That would be
it
so
and then
awesome.
submit it again. Me too.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
If we get it wrong again,
We'll just have to ask like Andrew or something. I feel like he knows everything because he took the class before, so now he like knows everything.
He's like, oh yeah, when I took this before, I'm like, I haven't taken stats in like 6 years.
I've never taken stats. Like I didn't take it in high school. So
Really?
yeah, 0.154.
So it's like completely new.
Yeah, it's all new stuff.
I'm glad we got the margin of error right though, for real.
I know, that's pretty awesome. We did good on that one. Did really good. Okay.
Took like 17 tries, but
But we got it. So
I wish you could take the test with one other person.
oh, I know. That would make it so much easier.
Just because there's like so many fill in the blanks, it's like it's just not fair.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's right.
Really?
0.031. Yeah, it's right.
Oh my gosh,
Yay!
that's crazy.
We
Hey,
figured it
good call.
out.
Okay, wait, there is vision. Wait, crap, I don't even think I changed it. Which number was that? What? Crap.
Question 6. You didn't change.
No, I didn't submit it yet though, so we're good. Question 6. I was just like going through them all. Okay, 6. So it is, wait.
0.031.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so remember that. It's P1 minus P2.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
P hat 1 minus P hat 2. Okay, I'm gonna write that down actually. Okay, awesome. we finally did it. Okay.
Yay! Okay. Now we have one more lesson.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
Lesson. That only took us an hour. I mean,
Seriously. It wouldn't have taken that long, I don't think, but
yeah, it was that margin of error. I think that's what got us.
for real. But we got it, so I don't even care. Okay, so let's see the prep for 19. So we'll do part 2. Luckily, these aren't very long. So
yeah,
following data set to answer question 3. So ambitious intro to SAT students want to conduct a survey among church members and ask them if their party affiliation and whether or not they are in favor of Proposition 8. They would like to see if there is an association between party affiliation and voting preference for Prop 8 with a level of significance of 0.05. So state the null and alternative hypotheses. So the null is the row variable and the column variable are independent. So it would be the party affiliation and the voting preference are independent. And the alternative would be the party affiliation and the voting preference are not independent.
Yeah.
And then for B, are the requirements, what are the requirements for this test? So they all the cells have to be greater than 5, which they are. So yeah, C, they are met. So calculate the chi-square. Is that how you say it? Chi-square?
Chi-square, yeah. That's what
It sounds like cheese square. Anyways,
Chi-square.
chi-square statistic. So chi-square, I got was 33.957.
Okay, I actually have a question for you about this. I don't know how to enter it into SPSS, and I was trying to figure that out, but I couldn't figure it out, so I was like, I'll just wait.
No, it takes a little bit. So, okay, so so you have to open up a new one? Like a new data set? And then you have to make 3 different columns. I had to watch the videos for this, but you have to open up 3 different columns, and so you have to go to, you know how on the bottom it says data view and variable view?
Yeah.
So go to variable view.
Okay.
And type in under the name. I put opinion, but what is it called? What are they? Oh, party affiliation. I just put opinion.
Opinion. Okay.
And then for 2, I put party. Oh yeah, I guess that's his name. And then for 3, I put count.
Count. Okay.
And then on the type part, so it says name and then type. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So on opinion and party, you have to change it to string. So you can type in like words instead of numbers.
Oh, okay.
And then the count will be numeric still.
Okay. And then,
So that's how you can type in everything. So then you go to data view. And then you'll have those.
So where do you type this stuff in? So like you type in
Wait,
favor.
Wait, what did you say?
So where do you type the information in that was given to us? Like the 250, the 50.
Yeah, so you have to have those labels up first to be able to put it in. So do you have those 3?
Yeah, so I have those 3, yeah.
So now under opinion or whatever you called it, favor or whatever.
Yeah, opinion.
I put in favor in box 1 and 2 because there's 2 different variables. I mean 2 different data sets or whatever. So in favor, and then row 3 and 4, I put against.
Okay, I don't know why I'm so confused by this. Okay.
So look at, do you see the?
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Go back to the question.
Yeah.
So you have to put this all, you have to like kind of picture it in your mind in a different like format than this is put in. So so you have to put it in like columns, and this is in rows right now.
Oh, okay. So it's going to be in favor, and then underneath it's going to be the 250 and the 120. Is that what you mean?
Well, because you're putting the columns or the rows into columns right now. So under opinion, you have to have 2 different. It's really confusing actually. So I don't know how to explain this. Okay.
Okay, well, maybe I just need to go and watch the video. And then I can just do that after we're done, and then I'll probably figure it out. But I didn't watch the video before, so
Okay. It's okay. It's
so I can, yeah.
well, let me try to explain this. So, do you see, so you have, if you're looking at the rows, you have in favor of Prop 8, 250, 120, right?
Yes.
So
So
you're trying to get all those numbers in one row under the count. But do you see how they're like in two different rows right now?
yeah, so you're trying to do all of the numbers in the one row. That's what you're saying. So you're trying to do them all next to count. But where do you put them?
Sorry, sorry, it cut out for a sec.
Oh, really? Okay. So I said, so you're trying to get all the numbers next to count, like in the same row as count?
Yeah.
That's what you're saying?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So where do you put the numbers?
So under the row count, you'll put 250, 120, and then 50, and then 80.
Okay, so will that go under values then?
Under values?
That's what I'm asking, I think. So like it says name, and then I have opinion party count, and then it says type, string, numeric, and then the next one is width, and then it says decimals, label, values.
Okay, sorry. So you don't have to do anything else after you do, like after you put the opinion party count and then string, numeric, you don't do anything else with this. You go back to your data view.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sorry.
That's why I was so confused.
It's like,
okay.
What are you talking about? Okay. Anyway, so you're done with that. That's just to set it up so you can type in, because it won't let you type it in because it thinks you're going to just put numbers. So that's why you have to change it to string so you can type in like Republican, Democrat, whatever.
So then under opinion, you put in favor, then underneath that you put against.
So, well, you put in two in favors because you have two different numbers for in favor. You have one for Republican, one for Democrat.
Oh, okay.
So under opinion, you put in favor, and then you do against.
Okay. And then party, you do
Republican. Yep, Republican, Democrat, Republican, Democrat.
Okay. There we go.
Sorry, I'm not very good at explaining this.
No, it's okay. It's totally fine. Okay, so in favor Republican 250, in favor Democrat 120, against 50, and then 80. Okay.
Does that make sense? You're just like looking at it in a different view. So
makes sense.
And then you have to go in. You have to go in and do analyze. Oh, sorry, what?
Never mind. Keep going. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Okay, so you have all the information in, right? In the table?
Yeah.
So then you go into analyze, descriptive statistics, and then you click on crosstabs.
Okay.
And then you put in the rows. It says rows and columns. So you put in the first, in rows, you put opinion, or whatever you put in for that. And then for the columns, you put in the party.
Okay.
Because that's how it's set up in the question. So, and then you click on the statistics on the side, and you click on chi-square at the very top left.
Okay.
You check that box and push continue, and then you click on cells on the right side. And I just clicked on observed and expected under the counts box.
Yeah.
And then do continue, and then push OK.
Okay. All right.
And then it will come up. Then it will come up with all this information, and it will give you like the count, expected count, blah, blah, blah. And then you look at the chi-square, under the chi-square test, and that's where you get the Pearson chi-square, and the value is right there, 33.957.
Okay, so so I got 0 for the Pearson chi-square value, and I don't know what I did wrong, because I did, okay, so I did in favor, against, next column, Republic demo, then the count, 250, 120, 50, 80. Do you have to weight the cases?
Oh yeah, sorry, you have to weight the case. Sorry, you have to weight it first.
Okay, I think that's
You have to
what
weight
it
the
was.
cases under the count. Hold on just a sec.
So then, descriptive statistics, crosstabs. Oh, no. Okay, let me see if it works when I do that. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sorry, I forgot that step.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Did it work?
Okay. So 33.96 or 957.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. 3. Okay, then the degrees of freedom is 1.
Yep.
And then the p-value is 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, I was explaining. I guess I wasn't explaining that very well.
No, it's totally fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So
then
we
just
reject
finish
the
that.
null.
Yeah, just reject it and then sufficient evidence that they're
Okay.
not independent.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sorry. You're probably like, okay, just stop.
No. It's good because now I know.
Yeah,
All right.
it's kind of, it takes a little bit of time, but anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we do the quiz?
Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so they're giving us a data set this time, so that's nice.
Okay. So let's see. For the next 7 questions, please use the following information. Okay, a public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender, female or male, and by voting preference, Republican, Democrat, or Independent. The results are presented here. Okay, yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Wait, does it have it all in there for us?
I think so. Mine's loading, so I can't see it yet, but
Yeah, same here. Yay! Okay, it's all in there. Okay. Feel bad for whoever has to put in all these.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do.
So which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? So independent is the null, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's what I thought. Okay, then what is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom?
Wait, so for number 1, you got the third one, right? Third one down?
Yeah, the third one down, yeah. So number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1. Freedom.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then
Okay.
what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? So I guess we could just do the data set, right?
Let's do the data set.
So
Analyze. So I got 8. Did you get 8?
sorry, hold on. I'm trying to figure
Okay.
out which one's the rows and which one's the columns again.
I just did the first one.
Okay.
So I don't know. I just kind of guessed, honestly.
Okay.
When you did it, the first column was the rows, I think, and the second column was the columns. If that makes sense.
Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, I got 8 as well for the degrees of freedom.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so are the requirements met? Let's see.
Oh,
Doesn't it tell
yeah.
you?
Yeah, so
Okay, yes.
it says 0 cells have expected count less than 5, so that means it is.
Okay. So there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the test statistic is the chi thing, right?
Uh-huh.
0.436.
Yep.
Okay, and then the p-value. What's the p-value?
So the p-value is the asymptomatic significance. Two-sided, so 0.490.
Okay, so it's the one next to chi square. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever it is. Okay. What is the level of significance? 0.05. So we failed to reject the null.
So there's insufficient evidence.
Yes, I believe so.
So
Failed. So there's not enough evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent, right?
okay, wait. So the is it there's not enough evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent?
Yeah, that's what I think. Because that's
Okay.
what we're looking for, so.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. Okay, in the set of questions, we will review the reasons for seeking chiropractic care. It's also recorded in Chiropractor SAV. So maybe pull that up. Oh wait, we already have that pulled up.
Yeah.
Okay. The research question is, do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons? The hypotheses are no, location and the motivation to visit a chiropractor are independent. Alternative, location and the motivation to visit a chiropractor are not independent. Questions for conducting a chi-square test for independence are satisfied. So that's true, right?
Wait, isn't this the same question? Same problem?
It is the same problem, but I think they're different questions. Wait, is it the same problem?
Oh crap.
Oh, it's not. Oh, dang it. Oh man, we were answering that for the.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh. So we have all the answers for this one, but we have to go back and put in, I think we have to put in all the
Yeah, we have to put in the data ourselves. So.
crap.
Well, at least we did the other one. At least there were questions for it.
Do you
Oh
like
my
how
boy.
we didn't even notice? It was like males and females, Democratic, Republican. Okay.
Oh, that's so sad. Okay.
That's how you know you just look at the numbers.
Let's see. Okay.
Okay, so we have all the answers. So degrees of freedom is 8, right?
7.466.
And then 7.436.
Yeah. And then p-value is 0.49. 0.49.
Oh my god.
And then there is insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation is not independent of the location.
So that's the second one down.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now we just have to go.
Oh my gosh.
That's so dumb. I can't believe we didn't even notice. We're like, oh, it's the same one.
That's so funny. Okay.
Okay. They shouldn't have put that at the top. That's stupid.
I know.
Chiropractor one.
Okay.
Anyways, okay, well, here we go.
Anyway, now to solve the problem. Okay. No.
So can
Yeah.
we can go to the, okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. We can use the one that we did before. Right?
Yeah, I didn't save it, but
Oh.
okay, so now I need to remember how to do it.
Male and female.
Okay, so variable, so name. So you do male and female.
Yeah, so instead of opinion or whatever.
And then
Gender, gender would be one, party would be the
gender.
other.
Party and then just count.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
That's so funny. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. Okay, we are literally having the hardest time. Okay, female.
I know
male.
we are.
Hey, at least we're figuring it out. It's all good.
Yeah, that's true.
So under gender, you would do female, female.
So you do three females?
Oh
Or
yes.
four?
Okay, hold on. Let me see. 4, I think. Oh no, just 3. Sorry.
Okay, 3. Okay, the male, male, male. Okay, Republican, Democrat, Independent. Memo, Independent. 250, 350. Two hundred, 150, 50.
Okay, wait. Okay. 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 Did you get your things
Yeah, I did.
all up? Okay. So the chi square, I got 16.204.
Oh man, I did it wrong then.
Crap. What'd you get?
I got 479. Okay, so I probably did something wrong. Okay, so it's female, 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 male, 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 and Democrat, independent, Republican, Democrat, independent. And then it's 250, 300, 550, not 500, 50, 200, 150, and then 50.
Yep.
And then I weighted them. Okay, and then analyze, descriptive statistics, crosstabs, gender. Is that wrong? Oh.
My gosh. Okay, sorry. So did you weight the cases?
Oh, that's wrong. Okay. Okay, so I think I know what I did wrong.
Okay.
Party, columns, gender. Okay. And can you hear me?
Yeah. Sorry.
I can't hear you.
You can't? You can't hear me? Crap. Can you hear me now?
Okay.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. So did you weight the cases first?
Yeah, I did. I weight the cases. Weight cases by count. Okay. And okay, analyze, descriptive statistics, crosstabs. Is that the party or the gender?
Wait, hold on. I have the wrong thing up. So the row, let me look back at this one. Hold on, sorry. The row is gonna be the gender.
Gender, okay.
And then the columns is the party.
Columns is a party. Okay, and then chi square, cells, observed, expected. Okay. Yeah, I still got the same thing. Oh my gosh, what did I do wrong?
Gender. So weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, let me try it again too.
350, 350, 150, 200, 150, 50.
Yeah, I still got 16.204.
Mm. Okay. Okay, so in the variable view, it's gender and then string for the type, and then party, then string, then count, then numeric.
Mm-hmm.
I got it wrong.
It's so weird.
Okay, well, we can just go with yours.
Crap, now I feel the pressure. What if I'm wrong?
No, it's okay if you're wrong, because then we can just go with mine.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what you do. I feel like this one's a little bit closer to what the other one was. Like the other one was 33.96. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, mine's like a crazy number. That's why I think it's wrong, because it's so high. Okay, so
I
what
hope
did you
I'm
get for
right now. I'm nervous. Okay.
I don't really know. I don't really care. Okay, so degrees of freedom, what'd you get?
So I got 2 for degrees of freedom.
2. Okay. And are the requirements met?
Let me check really quick. Yes, they are.
Okay.
So 0. So, sorry, the p-value is going to be 0.
Okay.
So,
And then the test statistic, what was that again?
16.204.
204. Okay, awesome. So then there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are independent. Is that right? Wait, no.
So if you reject the null, there's sufficient evidence that they're not independent,
Okay.
I think. Right?
Or not. Yeah, because the null is saying that they are.
Okay, so if you reject the null.
Okay, so then question 14. So what is that one then? Okay, so there is insufficient evidence.
To suggest that the motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent, right? Because it's just saying
Is it insufficient or sufficient? I don't know.
it's insufficient. Wait, let me see.
So we reject the null. We have sufficient evidence that they're not independent.
Sorry, for 13 and 14, is that the one you're talking about? Wait, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, it wasn't working before. I don't know what's wrong with my computer. But okay, so are you on question 13 and 14?
Yeah, like we did the p-value. You got 0.49, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just trying to figure out what the sentence would be. Okay, so
since it's above 0.05, there's insufficient evidence. So okay, sorry. You reject. You fail to reject.
yeah, so you fail to reject. So that's usually insufficient evidence, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it must be that one. It must be the second one. Because the last one doesn't have anything to do with independent or dependent.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
Only.
See how we did.
Okay. Holy, I'm so scared. It's like 0 out of 10.
I know, seriously.
Okay, here we go. I guess we'll see.
Oh, no, yours was right.
Yay, we got 100.
Woo! Okay.
Oh, finally. I'm so glad we don't have to do that
I
again.
know, finally. Ugh.
Holy cow. Anyways,
All right, awesome.
Okay.
Okay,
So for the group project, is that what you're gonna talk about?
Yeah.
Okay, how do we want to do this? I kind of just like put people's names in. If we want to switch them around, we can. I just like put them in how I put them, like in order of what I put them on the sheet. Did you get that? Were you able to open it?
I was able to open it.
Okay. So, if you look at it, I don't know what we're going to have to do for next week, but we might just want to,
I think it's collect the data.
okay, so we might just want to do that this week, like each go out and get our 10 bags of M&Ms or whatever.
Yeah.
And then write down what we all got and then add it all together.
See like the different colors, because that's what it is, right?
Yeah. So we'll just like open 10. So like you, for each bag, you say like how many of each color you have. So say like bag number 1, 6 orange, 5 blue, 3 brown, or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
And then bag 2,
okay.
you know, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, and then just kind of, and then we'll figure out how to. Maybe we could put it in like an SPSS format or something.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay.
But, hopefully everyone looks at that and understands. I was trying to make it so you could understand what I was talking about. I don't know if it was very clear, but
yeah, I think so. Because I mean, you wrote for question 9. You wrote we will each randomly select 10 different small bags of regular M&Ms in 4 different locations around the United States, with a total of 40 different bags. So you wrote exactly what we were supposed to do. So.
Okay.
Okay, but he has to approve this, right? Oh no, that's for the survey.
Does he have to?
Oh yeah, he has to approve the project. So
Yeah.
I'm sure he will. I don't know why he wouldn't.
Yeah, I haven't heard anything back from him, so I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, so we can't collect data until he approves it. That's what it says here.
We can't collect data?
We can't collect data until he approves it.
Oh. Okay. Well,
we're supposed to sign it.
Oh, I thought
it says to sign it. Like all the group members sign it. So I don't know how we're supposed to do that, but.
Oh, I thought that it said, wait, number 18?
Yeah, number 18.
Oh, yeah, whoops. Crap.
No, that's okay. We can just do it and then turn it in. We should just. Okay, I can just sign it. Let's see. Picture.
Guess we can.
I just have a picture of my signature. Because I don't know how to sign it.
I think maybe we just put, like, type our names in.
Okay, documents. What is it? Downloads.
Should I just, like, crap. Should I just, like, write everyone's names in? And then send it to him? So how is he gonna, like, when is he gonna tell us?
If you're talking, I can't hear you.
Oh, you
can't tell if you're talking or not. Okay.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Okay, let me.
Yeah, so I just put my signature on there and I can just send it and then I can just tell everybody else to sign it.
Okay. And then maybe I can send it to him and be like, hey, here's the signed version. Sorry, I thought you just had because it said skip down to.
No, that's okay. I mean, it's really not that big of a deal, I don't think.
Okay.
It's very clear about the project.
No, it was just like all of a sudden it showed up. I was like, oh crap,
Yeah.
what?
And there weren't even like many instructions. Like it just said, click here for design the study and then submit it. So I was like,
I
what the
know.
heck?
I was like, that's why I was like, guys, will you look over this? Because I don't know if this is even
I
right.
know, like what is, okay, we have to sign the bottom.
So maybe he'll just like send it back or something with a signature or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. He'll probably just say that we need to sign it before he can sign it. I don't know.
Should we just type in all of our names and send it to him and be like, hey, we, because they don't even know what the project is. They can't start it.
I know. Maybe we should.
I don't know.
Okay.
And then maybe I'll just email it to him. And be like, hey, we forgot I didn't send it with the signed one, so here's signed one.
Yeah, I mean, it's honestly probably not that big of a deal, but maybe it is.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's actually going to care about it.
Oh, look at you. You got your cute little signature and everything. Did you just do that right now, or did you have it already?
I do it for another class. I had to have my signature, so, and I don't know how to sign on Word.
Oh,
So I just took a picture of my signature.
That's a good idea.
So, okay.
Yeah, I guess we could just do that. That's a good idea.
Yeah, well, I just hope that everyone sees it soon, because Andrew hasn't responded recently.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll just have to see if he approves it. I'm sure he will, because it's a good study, I think.
Yeah,
so.
It's pretty basic. Like, I don't think that there's going to be any problems.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Anyways, okay, I'll take a picture of mine and add it.
Okay, perfect.
This one. But anyways.
All right, awesome. Well, thanks for meeting with me.
Yeah. Sorry, it was so crazy.
No, it was my fault too.
Struggle. Anyways, we got it and we got 100%. So, oh well.
Yeah, it worked out in the end. So, oh well.
All right.
All right. Well, have a good week.
Okay.
See you next week.
You too. Sounds good. See ya.
Bye.
Okay, bye.